Welcome and thank you for purchasing TRQ wiper blades. In this video, I'm going to show you what adapter to use for your vehicle wiper arm. And we're going to show you how to attach them and go from there. So let's get right into it. We have the first style is a hook. That's what they call a hook style. And you're going to need the adapter that has the lid on it. And your wiper blade will come with those two little loops, and you're going to pop it down in until it clicks. Take that arm, bring it right in, slide it on. You'll feel it lock in, and then you can put the cover right down. That's how you use the hook style. This is a pin style. The old days I used to have a pin this way, but now we call it a pin with that little clip on there. So you're going to take the type that has that little square, and you're going to bring that down and push it on, same way. Until it clicks. And this one slides down on. So you go at a little bit of an angle, bring it down, and it clicks right into place. That button, to reverse and take it off, you push down, just give it a little wiggle, and it comes right out. So attach it, pops in. And the last arm, find the same two loops, and you're going to bring that down and push it on until it clicks. Take your wiper arm, bring it in at an angle, let it sit, and then bring that clip down, and it's locked on. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.